Hello everyone, today we are going to solve another important problem from module 4, principle of counting second. So the question is determine the number of positive integers n such that n where n greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 100 and n is not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. So in this question what we have to find? We have to determine the numbers of positive integers that is not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. So let set equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 up to 100. So what is the value of mod s equals to 100 because 100 positive integers are there in this set. And a1 comma a2 comma a3 are the subset of set whose element are divisible by 2 comma 3 and 5 respectively. So we have to find a1 bar intersection a2 bar intersection a3 bar. So how can you find this value? So for finding this value we have to remember one formula. So what is the formula? a1 bar intersection a2 bar intersection a3 bar equals to how many integers are there in total set minus a1 bar a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a1 intersection a2 plus a2 intersection a3 plus a1 intersection a3 and minus a1 intersection a2 intersection a3. So this is the formula to find this value. So now first find this value like that we have to find up to this value and put our values in this equation. So now go for a1. So number of element in set S that are divisible by 2. So 100 divided by 2 equals to 50. This is the value of mod a1. Now go for mod a2 is number of element in set S that are divisible by 3. So 100 divided by 3 equal to 33.33. We can consider as 33. Now go for a3, mod of a3. a3 equals to number of element in set S that are divisible by 5. So 100 divided by 5 equals to 20. So we have a1 a2 a3 value. Now go for a1 intersection a2. So a1 intersection a2 equals to number of element in set S that are divisible by 2 and 3. So in this case a1 intersection a2 we have to take the LCM of both 2 and 3. So what the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So 100 divided by 6 equal to 16.66. We can consider as 16. Similarly we have to find a1 intersection a3. So a1 intersection a3 is the number of element which is divisible by the number of element which is divisible by 2 and 5. So what the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. was a1 equals to 2 and a3 equals to 5. So 100 divided by 10 equals to 10. So a1 intersection a3 equals to 10. This is the value of a1 intersection a3. Now a2 intersection a3. So what's the value of a2 equals to 3 and a3 equals to 5. So LCM is 15. So 100 divided by 15 equals to 6.666. This is considered as 6. Now we have to find a1 intersection a2 intersection a3. So now take the LCM of all the three. a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to 3 and a3 equals to 5. So well, what the LCM of all the three? 3 to 6 are 30. So 100 divided by 30 equal to 3.333. So we can consider as 3. So now we got all the values. So put all the values in this equation 1, because we have to find a1 bar intersection a2 bar intersection a3 bar. So 100 minus, what is the value of a1 is 50 plus, what is the value of a2 33 plus, what is the value of a3 20 plus a1 intersection a2. So what is the value of a1 intersection a2? So here what the value of a1 intersection a2 is 16. So the value of a1 intersection a2 is 16 plus, and what is the value of a2 intersection a3? 6 plus, and what is the value of a1 intersection a3 is 10, and what is the value of a1 intersection a2 intersection a3 is, here we are finding 3. So minus 3. So now 100 minus, this is 103 plus 32 minus 3. This is 26. So this is our final answer. So this is 26. This is our final answer.